Creek, the waters rise, cold and clear beneath the skies. Their hemlock shade and laurel green, the hidden streams still run unseen. Granite bones the mountains keep, guard the secrets rooted deep. With every cedar, oak, and pine, the ancient dome holds sacred time. Oh, ridges high, oh, ridges wide, where rock and river still abide. With goldenrod on granite dome, this mountain's heart will be our home. Ridges of Cedar Knob so free, you sing the land's eternity. The lichens mark the weathered face of every stone, a sacred place. Red-tailed circle coyotes roam, the deer still call this mountain home. Serviceberry in the spring, with whispered blooms the wild birds sing, while streams of life in silver thread flow to Kulsetsiyi's bed. Kulsetsiyi walk these trails, their stories carved in wind and shale. Main moss clings where few can tread,